Let's make golden milk. Golden milk is a comforting dairy-free beverage made with anti-inflammatory spices like turmeric and ginger. For this you will need 1 tablespoon of ground turmeric, 1 tablespoon of ground ginger, 1/4 of a teaspoon black pepper, 1/4 of a teaspoon cayenne pepper, and 1/4 of a cup honey. When it's all combined together, mix 1 teaspoon of your mixture, 1 glass of room temperature water, and you're ready to go. Turmeric gives this milk its signature golden color, and it could have powerful anti-inflammatory properties. Thanks to its antioxidant content and active compound curcumin, it may protect against free radical damage. Ginger is high in antioxidants, and as a result, it has also anti-inflammatory properties. It also helps to promote healthy blood sugar level, relieve muscle pain, and ease stomach upset. The black pepper has the compound called piperine. It's responsible for black pepper's taste. It may help in the absorption of nutrients, particularly with curcumin, which is found in turmeric. Honey has antibacterial and antifungal properties and is a good source of antioxidants. Honey soothes digestive issues and sore throats. So this recipe of golden milk is so easy to make, and you can store it in the refrigerator up to 3 weeks. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching and enjoy.